Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Dude, what the fuck is this doing? There we go. Good morning. Let's see. Go live. Boom. I'm tired. I did not land until super late last night. So, we're still here. We're still here, everybody. Let's crush it, though. Trading NQ futures. Perfect. Bang. All right, we're good. We are good. What's up, Team Bull? Good morning. Finally back at home base. Share my screen with you guys. As always, everybody watching on the streams, TikTok, Tube, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Futures trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment if you're not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. All right. And actually today is May 4th at 7:13 a.m. in beautiful Denver, Colorado. And again, one more time, none of this is financial advice. Can you guys see my screen, Team Bull? Why is it doing this? It's like not letting me share my screen. And then whenever I click stop share, my Zoom freezes. Bro. I might not be able to share my screen today, Team Bull. Just keeps giving a black screen for some reason. See if it shares this. All right, do you see it now? Still showing black on my end. I don't know that. You guys get to watch GD's screen today because it's not letting me. What's up, Tube and TikTok? What up, what up? Let me pull up the Tube. Hold on one second. If you guys are new, also, if you guys could, make sure to hit that like button to be greatly appreciated. Make sure to hit that follow. I go live every single morning for New York Market Open. Live trade, call out all my trades, all that good stuff. So again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. Everybody watching on the Tube, I'm sure most of you are subscribed, but if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. And yeah, make sure to subscribe and hit that follow. Also, if you guys need accounts before market open, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you could always use code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon in all caps. Let's see, post. Let everybody know that we're live too, actually. Live. If you're watching on TikTok and you want to tap into my Tube channel, BrandonTrades, I'm also live over there right now as well. Also live on the Tube. You get a full screen view instead. Bang, we're live. We are live, baby. I mean, you can use TradingView to practice. I just don't like it for execution or actually trading or even charting. Only reason I use TradingView one is actually like whenever I do my videos, because for some reason, people really like TradingView. But yeah, it's either back test or do my videos. That's it. I don't use it to execute. I don't use it to actually chart either. Thinkorswim, Trade of 8 is mainly what I use. Sup, dog? Sup? It was good. My sister is officially married. Crazy. Gene did not like Maryland. No. He said there's too many white people. And not a whole lot to do. Bro, we didn't get back until like 12 a.m. last night. The flight got delayed. Which one, the Flyers or the Avs? Bro, 15 points is crazy. It's alright. There'll be more. I've always used Thinkorswim. That's my favorite. And again, everybody watching on TikTok, make sure you guys hit that follow button. I can guarantee all 60 of you in here right now are not following. So find the follow. It's at top left, top right. Find it, click it. For 10 years of bad luck. I don't make the rules, I just enforce them. 10 years of bad luck. What are my thoughts on SPY? Honestly, I have a pretty neutral bias today. Not bullish, not bearish. Honestly, I'd lean a little more bullish, actually, just because first off, we came down really close to this demand zone. We bounced out of it. And then also on NQ, we came down to a previous high and bounced out of it. But we made a pretty big move in the pre-market, which took away a lot of the range for today. Obviously, we'll see what the market brings, but as of right now, pretty neutral. We'll see what happens. What's up, Bone? What up, Ryan? All right, 10 more minutes until open. Again, if you guys could, make sure to hit that like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Helps a lot with the algo. Got the 5-minute time frame. Pulled up. I actually traded options for the first time in solely options. First time in forever on Friday. Made like $860 when we were in DC. Took SPY calls and then Tesla calls. Made $860 Friday. Definitely want to get back in the option game, that's for sure. Studied a bunch of your videos this weekend, first time here. Let's go. Hopefully we can find a banger for you for the first day. See what we can do. See if it's gonna show my full screen. I don't know why it's being dumb on Zoom. Also, if you guys look in the pinned comments on the tube, if you guys are interested in learning from me, I just launched my mentorship program last week. There we go. I just launched my mentorship program last week. You get lifetime trading with me, lifetime classes, all my previous recorded and future classes, so much more. So again, if you guys want more information on that, the link is right there in the comments. Click on it. It's like a 6-minute video. It'll explain everything that's offered, plus actually an accountability partner who will be on every single Wednesday. But yeah, if the program interests you, sign up for a call. We start today. So hopefully you can see you guys in there. But yeah, the program goes forever. There's no start and end date, literally today and then for the rest of our lives, or until people stop showing up. But again, the link is right there in the comments, so you can click on it. Meat reveal Monday. I mean, you donate me a few galaxies, I'm sure I can show some meat. I'll take like 20 galaxies and sure. Why not? Or go to my OnlyFans. What you watching, GD? We actually have this supply zone on the 45-minute. Let's see, 45. There you go. You guys still can't see my screen in the tube, but in the Zoom, 7260 for a reject, 7262 for a reject. Then on NQ we got pretty close to it already. 27883 and then 27892. Look for rejects there. That's the game plan for today. Get above there, look for more upside. We reject there, we look for shorts. Boom. All right. What we got? We got 5 minutes till open, everybody. Did I go to high school in Colorado? No, I didn't move out here until a year and a half ago. Maryland born and raised. Again, if you guys are watching in the tube, make sure to hit that like button. We got about 140 of you in here so far and only 50 likes. So almost a third of you guys have hit that like button. Yeah, find that thumbs up. Click it. Helps with the tube algo. Everybody watching on TikTok, again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button, double tap the screen. All that stuff helps with the algo. Let's crush it though. A+ setups only. Tell you what, I'm so hungry right now. I want a quick little banger today. And go do my thing. Is my screen sharing now? Can you guys see it on Zoom? Yeah, you can finally. All right, the NQ, it's 45-minute supply on both. So for NQ, 27883.5 and then 27892.75 are the two levels. Just go to your 45, mark that low, mark the open. That's what we're watching. We pretty much, or we did hit the 883 already. So maybe then, or the ES is a little better if we can get up there. 72.60, 72.63. And again, before market open, if you guys need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, make sure you guys use discount code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discounts. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. Always get you the best possible discounts. What do I like going into market open? Like I said, possibly a reject off my 2 zones. If we get above it, then we look for more upside. Three minutes. If you guys are new too, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Hit that follow button. It's at top left, top right, somewhere up there. Find it, click it. Two minutes till open, Team Bull. I wasn't live Thursday or Friday. I had to go home. Whenever I travel, that's why I say you got to be in Team Bull as well. Because whenever I travel, I'm not going live on TikTok or Tube. That's why you got to be in the Team Bull as well. Or in my mentorship program. You always get access to the Zooms. But yeah, whenever I travel, I'm not live on Tube or TikTok. What's up, Justin? All right, let's crush it. A+ setups only. Wait for the market to come to you. Don't force trades. If you force trades, you're going to lose money. So A+ setups, proper risk management. That's the only thing we can do. Whatever the market offers, that's what we get. And again, bear with me today. If I sound a little stupid, it's because I'm tired. Very tired. Feel like I've hardly slept for the last like 5 days. But we're here still. All right. Market is open. Make sure you guys can see this. Yep. All right, bet. Let's get this bag. Let's see Tesla. See what these other individuals are doing today. Palantir wouldn't look too bad for more upside if it got above that pre-market high. What up, what up? Again, if you guys are new, make sure you hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. If you're watching on TikTok and you want to tap into my tube channel, Brandon Trades, I'm also live over there right now. 132,000 subs, 1,800 videos, all that good stuff. So again, if you guys want to tap into my tube, I got a full screen view over there right now. Head on over to the tube and type in Brandon Trades. I'll pop right up. I'll pop right up. Patiently waiting. Pretty bearish 5-minute candle so far on NQ. Again, for the ones just tapping in, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, while we're just sitting here chilling, make sure you use discount code Brandon, all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Obviously, the live streams are completely free. So just join, trade with me every single day. Obviously, make sure you're following and subscribed. That way you know when I go live. But yeah, if you're trading with me every day, then obviously just make sure to use code Brandon, all caps. Call out all my trades. Obviously, the goal, help you guys pass your accounts, get you guys funded, payouts. So yeah, just tap in. How does trading work? Go on to Tube, type in Brandon Trades. I got a bunch of education over there. Again, 1,800 videos over on my Tube. You talking to me? What's up? Bro, I'm tired. There's only about like 2% of me that wanted to trade today. So I was very close to not coming. I came for you guys though. Just for you guys. Keep that in mind. Your boy has hardly slept for like 4 or 5 days straight. I still made it just for you. Gene hated Maryland. He doesn't want to go back. Actually, no, I lied. He said he would go back, but he wants to go to Baltimore. We didn't make it to Baltimore. Yep, still stay patient, everybody. Still stay patient. We got factory orders at 10. Does Apex pay out? Yes, which Apex is better? I like end of day 50Ks for everything. Gene yawns too much. It's because that boy barely sleeps. Like, bro, I woke up at 3:30 EST AM, and this dude's already trading. And we had to be up at 5:30 to leave for DC. I'm like, dude, what is actually wrong with you? He's like, my take profit just hit. Like, dude, sleep. What is wrong with you? He's character, that's for sure. Gene is absolutely a character. Getting back up above these moving averages. Let's see. Rejecting off these moving averages, coming back down. Sorry, I'm just typing something real quick. All right, we're good. Let's crush it. Trading addiction, yes. That's definitely a thing. People are definitely addicted to this. Got your Billy Sells. Also gives you good luck to pass your account, get a payout. Good morning. Why am I seeing a winter weather storm warning? Is it even supposed to snow? Wednesday, maybe. No, it's gonna be too warm. This thing's tripping. Wait, why do I have it today? Damn, it's supposed to snow Tuesday and Wednesday. What the hell? Nice. Didn't want to snow all year in Colorado. Now that it's April and May, it wants to start snowing. Tesla's moving. You missed it on Friday, GD. We got a nice trade on Tesla. What? Like you left. Nice little, like, I think it was like 40, 50%. I do want to watch this Tesla, though. It is pretty strong right now. Possible uptrend entry. It's breaking up that opening range on the 5-minute. If you watch my videos, you should know what my strategy is. I swear when I came to, so I visited Colorado 2 years ago in April, I think April or May. Um, it was like 80, 90 degrees the whole week. And then I don't really remember last year this time. But all I know is it's a little late for snow. Colorado clearly just doesn't care. All right, so we're hitting this NQ demand, or sorry, supply again. One thing I don't like is we've already hit it a few times. Kind of prefer the ES one. See if we end up rejecting. Again, while we're just sitting here chilling, if you guys need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon, all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Obviously, these streams are completely free to join. You can join every single day. I go live for New York periodically throughout the week for Asia. And yeah, I mean, Brandon will always get you the best possible discount. All you got to do is join, trade with me. Obviously, the goal is to help you guys pass your accounts, get you guys to a payout. So if you guys like joining me every single week or every single day at that, again, code Brandon on these prop firms will get you the best possible discount. Give us some market. Again, the big move in the pre-market kind of screwed with the range today, which I'm not a big fan of. But we'll see. We'll see what the market offers. DJT stock is a meme stock, and I don't trade memes. Speaking of memes, GameStop put in an offer to buy what was it? eBay. Having a nice little push this morning. See what the other futures are doing. Russell coming down. YM coming down. Tesla retested this 5-minute high. See if it holds it and pushes up. Again, we rejected off that NQ supply. I'm curious to see if we can get above it or not. Yeah, Tesla's holding and pushing. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Make sure to hit that follow. ES isn't too far away from its supply. 60.5 and then 62.75 are the supply zones. see. See what the market gives us today. This is NQ that we have pulled up right now. Trying to get above that supply. Only thing that looks good to the upside today is Tesla as far as individuals. Still watching that 60.5. I actually like it a lot when he asks for a reject. If we're rejecting anywhere, it's at that level today. Fun stuff so far, Team Bull. I do like this Tesla. Watching Tesla pretty closely, everybody. I do like upside on ES and NQ for now. The only issue is, again, supply. So it's like kind of limiting our upside if we do actually end up rejecting off of it. This area, I'm looking to see if Tesla holds, everybody. See if it can hold. Need Tesla back up above 391.20 if I'm going to be interested. I'm going to try some Tesla calls right here. Try some Tesla calls. If we lose these moving averages in VWAP, I'm going to close it. Got a really good fill on them. Got overall ES and NQ rejected. Yeah, I'm going to take a trim going into this previous high. This 392.40. Nice move so far. We're already up about $45 contract. Let's keep our stop loss at break even on this. See if we can get this move higher. Ideally into high day on this. Very nice 5-minute candle so far. I did 0 DT. Yeah, I did the 392.5s. Yup. Bringing it back to 2022, dog. It's a very nice 5-minute candle. See if we can hold. We reclaim that previous high at 392.40. Let's see if this candle can flip green and continue to push. If we can push above 393, I'll look for another trim. And then final price target will be high day. Nice. We're up about $60 contract up here, everybody. So I'm guessing LBJ took it with me. That one person. Come on, give us a little more for another trim. Took off about half my position, so just keep the stop at break even. 0 DT, got to be conservative with. Obviously, if you went, what's the next one? 2 days out, I think. 2 days out, just keep your stop at break even. It's probably going to come down and hit it here in a second. Let's see. Hopefully we can hold this ADMA. Pop back up. All right, I stopped out the rest, everybody. But a little bit of lunch money. We do have the market pulling back. Like I said, if you went 2 days out, just keep your stop break even. You're going to have a little more wiggle room. But nice trade so far. Watch, it's going to do it. So one thing I don't like about options, bro. I think this Tesla's going to do it. I might look for another entry on Tesla. We'll see. Damn it, dude. So one thing I hate about options, bro. Now it's doing that shit. Especially 0 DTs. It's the one thing I hate. So the 395s would have done. If you went with Wednesday, I think you still would have been good. It's going for high day, though. Very easily on that Tesla. It's the one thing I don't like. If you guys are still holding, contracts are up about $100 a piece, a little over 100. Gonna watch this ES now, though. See if we can get up into supply. Good shit, OBJ. Only trade I've taken today was Tesla. That's it. Only trade I took and it was a winner. 5-minute time frame. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Everybody watching on the tube. If you're watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my tube where I got a full screen view going right now. 1,800 videos breaking down my strategy and so much more. Make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. Also 132,000 subs. We're on our way to 133,000. But yeah. And come check it out. BrandonTrades. Damn, Russell's pumping for no reason. We'll watch it, though. Absolutely watch Russell. We're about to get our 30-minute orb as well. Yes, and then Q. 5-minute time frame is what I always trade. Yeah, make sure to hit that follow button. I know not all of you are following. There's only one good options prop firm, and that's Vanquish. Other than that, you cannot trade options on futures prop firms. You want to plug your code GD? Yeah, there you go. Vanquish, use code GDI. I as an investment. CS looks like it wants more upside. No, I have absolutely nothing on gold today. I see the factory orders really did a whole lot for us. Just because Tesla had a setup, that's it. If there's a setup, doesn't matter if it's futures or options, we take it. As long as it meets the criteria. That's the move I wanted on Tesla, but of course it stopped us on the rest. Damn 0DT. Yeah, I mean, if you're selling Tesla, that this level, this 394.32 was the price target. Still like potential upside on this ES. I think we are going to go see that supply zone. The only question is, do we actually break through it or do we reject it? $45-minute. Again, if you guys are watching on Tube, make sure to hit that like button. We got like 200 of you in here and only 93 likes. What is this? Still, not even half of you guys have hit that like button today. I already called out one winning trade. Gave you guys a winning trade, and you guys can't even hit the like. Crazy. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry because you guys hurt my feelings. Does look like it wants more upside. It's just being hesitant. See if we get above this 30-minute orb. Did we just get news? What kind of candle was that? What are you looking for, GD? Very slow. Very boring session so far, everybody. Very boring. Besides Tesla. But as far as ES and NQ, very boring. Trying to buy this dip up. Again, I'm not opposed to trying longs on ES. We just need slightly better structure. Definitely not opposed. Looks like we're going to go test this supply. See what happens up here. We are going into sellers within the supply zone, so see if we can reject potentially. Damn, contracts are cheap today. See if we reject. Decent amount of sellers at the 7263. Again, we take it out, then obviously supply is not valid. We reject, we look for shorts. See if we end up rejecting. Kind of like 50-50 with this. Still watching, everybody? It's just if we're going to reject today, it's here. But like I said, I'm kind of iffy about it. Possible reject on ES. It's actually touching that zone now, so let's see what happens here at 63. Still no rejection off this zone. Looks like we're probably going to break through it. Do have our sellers up here, so let's see. But still no confirmation. If the 5-minute candle closes above it, it's not valid, and there's no entry. And Q's flirting with that 30-minute orb. Yeah. 5-minute candle close above, no longer valid. No entry on this. I do want to watch this NQ though. It's above that 30-minute orb. See if we can hold this 900 on NQ. Still watching this NQ. It's got to reclaim this 900. You like longs? Oh, I see it. Yeah, I mean, we reclaim this 300. I'm interested. With a stop below 90. It's got one more minute to do so. I don't think it's going to, though. Just trying. See if I can do it. Close just below. So we'll see if it can reclaim it. See if we can get back up above 900. Just want a little better price action above this level if I'm going to take it. Just failing to hold that 900. I don't think we're going to get our confirmations. Looking pretty weak. Cannot hold above that 30-minute orb. Still got 45 seconds, so obviously that could change. I don't think that's going to change. Yeah, it's falling apart. So, yeah, I mean, I really don't care about anything until we get back up above there. Maybe ES comes down and tests it. Boring day so far, besides Tesla. Squeezed in indeed fire. It works for Asia as well. Works both sessions. Very boring session. See if we can get back up above that 30-minute orb, though. I'd definitely consider it. It's getting bought back up. See if we can reclaim it. We can reclaim it because we still held this 21 EMA. Still above VWAP. ES is still pushing. Yeah. See if we get back up above 900. Maybe a break and retest. All right. We're reclaiming it. See how we can close this 5-minute candle. See if it closes above or below. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Everybody watching on YouTube, make sure to subscribe. As always, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, you can use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, you can use code Brandon, all caps. Get you the best discount. And then for the ones who are watching in the tube, if you guys are interested in learning directly from me, there is a pinned comment. You guys can click on that link, learn exactly what the program entails. But quick little brief, pretty much lifetime trading with me, lifetime learning from me, an accountability partner that's going to meet with you guys every single Wednesday, and so much more. Again, there's like a six-minute video. When you click on that link, you can watch all of it, get all the details there. And again, if you want to learn directly from me, just fill out an application, and obviously, I'll make sure if you're a good fit, I'll reach out to you. If you're not a good fit, then I'll let you know. But I'll also drop the link again in case you guys want to check it out. Again, this is a link to learn directly from me. Boom. Sent it 4 times, so you can't miss it. I do want to see, though, if we can reclaim this 30-minute orb. Still like upside a lot. Especially because we're above supply. Still failing that 30-minute orb. Just can't hold above it. I'm not opposed to longs here either. We are holding the ADMA. We still have the squeeze on QQQ or NQ. I'm not opposed to it. Let's see if we can hold above this orb finally. This NQ play is still valid. Question is, can we hold above this orb? That's really the deciding factor. I personally think we go to high day and make a new high day, but obviously I could be completely wrong. Maybe it does it without us. See if we can get a solid 5-minute candle close above the 30-minute orb and then pull back and retest. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button. Everybody watching on the tube, make sure to subscribe. If you're watching on TikTok, make sure to tap into my tube channel, Brandon Trades, where I'm also live right now. 132,000 subs, 1,800 videos teach you guys on how to trade. So again, make sure you guys come tap into the tube channel, Brandon Trades, where I'm also live right now. Come on, give us this pullback. Don't break it yet. Do not break yet. Make sure you guys can see this. Yes, YouTube. There we go. TikTok, good. All right, bet. Pushing into a new high day. Again, maybe we get the pullback, maybe we don't. You know, if that's what the market does, that's what the market does. We tried to hold above it originally. We failed pretty bad. And then, you know, just came back up. Nothing super bullish about this 5-minute candle. Like I said, we could have potentially bounced off that 8 EMA and started pushing, which is exactly what we did right here. The 8 EMA was right here. You just can't see it on this chart, but I have it on my other charts. And we started pushing from here. I like this if we get the retest. If we don't get the retest, and obviously, you know, we don't take it. That's why we have structured rules and guidelines before taking trades. But yeah, we'll see if the market comes back, gives us a setup. If not, suck it up. Suck it up and move on. See if we get this pullback. Honestly, even this move up, it's not that big. It was only like 20 something points. So not the biggest move in the world. I say that because if anybody's getting FOMO, oh no, I missed the move up. I need to chase it on the move up. 20 points is like, you know, wipe your ass with 20 points. You make 20 points tomorrow. You make 20 points during Asia. Don't feel stressed that you didn't catch this move up. It's only 20 points so far. 100 points, a little different. But 20 points, nothing to be getting stressed over. Again, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon, all caps, always get you the best possible discount. Very solid 5-minute candle close that we're about to get. Again, hopefully we can get this pullback into a 30-minute orb. Hopefully. Hopefully a pullback into that 30-minute orb. I had a feeling we were going to push. I just didn't have the right confirmation to do it. To take it, I should say. Yeah. I don't know if we're going to get it, buddy. Did you guys end up making money on Tesla? Anybody? Or am I just trading options on my own? Good. Make sure you guys post and hashtag post your gains. I do have a bunch of Lucid accounts to give away this week. So, pick a couple winners every day. Hashtag post your gains at me and GD. No, I've been out of Tesla forever. Also, if you guys aren't following my Instagram, make sure you guys do that as well. BrandonTrades on Instagram. BrandonTrades on Instagram. Go follow. Maybe we get a pullback, maybe we don't. We'll see. I don't see people posting your gains. Never gonna call another trade again. How about that? I'm done. I'm retiring. They said they took it. Some people held it to high day. Let me see you call a trade today. How about that? Well, call it. You want to talk shit? You want to talk shit? Call it. I'm just talking. You guys got questions while we're chilling? TikTok and Tube? Any questions? Stuff, Pete. Tesla trade earlier. Caught that move up. No, I use the 5 and 2 minute for my trades. Everything's based on higher time frames. I just use a 5 and 2 minute for my entries. Again, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, you can use code Brandon, all caps. Always get you the best possible discount. I see a whole lot of people asking questions while we're just chilling, waiting. One trade today so far, one winner. See if the market offers something else. If not, you know, we just call it. We wait. So hungry. I think like 30 or 35% off with Tradeify with code Brandon. Or 40, whatever the best discount is, that's what it gives. Not opposed to a pullback to that previous high either, right here. Do have a meeting here in a little bit. See if we get this pullback now. Yeah, let's see what the market's got for us. Watch this pullback. It's kind of like the area I would watch. Bouncing off that previous high. I'd prefer if it's a little lower. Could potentially bounce here early. Hopefully not. To have buyers at that level. Hopefully it comes down a little more though. Think it's potentially going to bounce early off this previous high. $20 off that level so far. Again, would prefer it a little closer to like 910. See if we can get it. Okay, this area that we want to watch. See if they hold it. Back to the 30-minute orb as well. We're actually retesting it. So far, we're breaking below this 30-minute orb. Gotta at least hold the 30-minute orb for me to be interested. At least the 30-minute orb. Ideally, a reclaim of the ADMA would be like icing on the cake. Hit that 21 EMA. Bounce right off of it. I'm going to give this candle a little more time to form because it's still pretty weak. I'm watching these longs as well, everybody. Gotta see if we can at least reclaim this 30-minute orb. Coming down to the ES 30-minute orb now. I think. Yeah. Yeah, why are we dumping like this? See if we reclaim this 57. I'm trying to. They might try to push it. Damn, dude. See how this 5-minute candle closes, everyone. Ideally, like a bullish close above this 57, pull back, get a little closer to it, and then we can look for a move higher. I don't think we're going to get this. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. We got a bunch of people in here who are not following yet. So again, find that follow button. It's at the top left, top right, wherever it is. Click it. Make sure to tap into my tube channel as well, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live. 132,000 subs, 1,800 videos teach you on how to trade. But yeah, again, the tube, you should know what the tube is. BrandonTrades, come tap in. As always, if you guys ever need to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. That always gets you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you can use code Brandon in all caps. Currently, we're bouncing off the 30-minute orb on ES. I'm curious to see if we can actually hold above it. But yeah, we'll see. We do have a buyer who put their buy order higher towards like 58.50. So I'm curious to see if they can hold that. Lots of volume on these last two 5-minute candles. Lots of volume. Starting to transact into that buyer at 58.50. See if he holds it. So far he is. Off that 30-minute orb as well. Yeah, I'm watching ES. Trading down into that 30-minute orb again. Looking pretty weak, though. So on in that 30-minute orb. Dipping out. So you're dipping out. Not a bad idea. Yeah. Looks like it's probably going to try to fail this 30-minute orb. Yeah, I'm going to hit a full upper body. Sir. Looks like we're going to crack this. It's got like 30 seconds to reclaim this. Just trying to. Close just below it. All right, Brody. Yeah, I'd say the first 2 hours is the best time to make money trading. Ideally, hour and a half, so 9:30 to 11. I'm just sitting here seeing if we can continue to get back up above this 30-minute orb. If not, I'll just call it. It's the only thing I'm watching right now. We already made money on Tesla. So, worst case scenario, we catch a small Tesla trade today. That's what the market offers. It's what the market offers. We move on. Have a good one, Antonio. But I would say it looks like we are not going to reclaim this. In my professional opinion. I don't do limit orders. I only do market orders. Especially if you're trading ES or NQ, there's no reason you have to do limit orders to get filled. You'll be fine. But yeah, we're failing this 30-minute orb. Yeah, I've never done brackets. In all my time trading, I've never done brackets. Am I doing Asia today? Probably not. Asia's too slow. It's just I hate sitting there for Asia 9 times out of 10. So probably not. Plus, I think we're going to go out and celebrate Jadon's birthday. But I think I'm going to call it here. As always, everybody have a good day. We're not going to validate this 30-minute orb, so no reason to stick around. Continue to watch the market chop. No other key levels in the market to watch either. So, yeah, I'm going to just go ahead, call it here, keep the money that I made. As always, if you guys haven't already, make sure to follow. I go live every single morning for New York, call out my trades, let you guys know when I'm watching. If you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, you can use discount code Brandon. It will always get you the best possible discount. And then for the people that are watching in the tube, if you guys did not see, I do have my mentorship link. I'm going to send it in the chat again. But that's my mentorship link right there. If you want to learn directly from me in a live environment, lifetime trading with me on Zoom, accountability partner, I'll give you $100,000 of funding to start off. So some evals that you guys can use. And yeah, so much more. So make sure to click that link right there. Watch the video. It's like 6 minutes. If it interests you, then obviously book a call with me and we'll see if you're a good fit for the mentorship program. Other than that, everybody have an amazing day. TikTok and YouTube, and I will see you guys tomorrow bright and early.